What's up guys, Shaun here. Super excited. I'm here in Nashville right now checking out our newest property flip, which is our mold house property. For those of you who've been following along, this house is listed on the market right now. I'm actually seeing it for the first time since renovated, and this place is absolutely freaking gorgeous. It's so amazing. I'm super excited about it. Long story short, we bought the house for $305,000. We put about $140,000 in renovations. That's including like labor, materials, maintenance, holding costs, all that stuff. So $305,000 purchase, $140,000 renovation. We are listed right now at $595,000. So we have a really good profit margin on this. For those of you who saw my previous posts, this place was just covered in mold. It was a bank-owned property. Pipes had busted. Mold was just infested. We had to wear face masks to go in. Anyways, here we are. Let's check this out. So the exterior. This used to be just a plain blue backdrop. Created this design right here. Changed the colors. Repainted the whole house. Looks so much better. Kind of clean this area up a bit because it was just a train wreck. Let's go inside the property now. Okay. So keep in mind this entire place was completely gutted and redone from scratch. All right, so.
Hi.
What is up?
Hi.
Hi. All right.
Welcome back.
Thank you, thank you.
What's up?
This is Shannon. Terry, it's my dad. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Definitely one of the best parts of the whole house. This actually used to be a beam right here. So where you see this little kind of nook, this wall was all the way against, came all the way out, and it was just a little tiny kitchen. Cabinets were disgusting. We completely gutted it, put a beam in, built out this whole thing. So this is our kitchen right here. So we have this beautiful oven, stove, and
Are you gonna do good with putting it down?
got our little exhaust fan, some lights. Boom, look at that. Got the refrigerator. So beautiful. So this is definitely a super, super massive change. For those of you who've been following along, we put a little barn door in for the pantry. Go over in here. We got the dining room. Oops, the light was already on. We got the deck in the back. This deck is beautiful. Let's go back here. You got a nice oasis, bunch of trees, beautiful deck. I mean, you can easily put a nice jacuzzi here. Nice place to kind of just sit and relax. Dining room table. This is the living room. So the flooring, this house was covered in a really nasty carpet. We took all that out and we put brand new flooring in everywhere. So this entire house, 3,200 square feet of new flooring. It definitely costs a pretty penny. Really nice kind of mantle right here. As you can see, super high ceilings down here. So we have a little half bath in here. There used to be a black toilet. Mold was just literally everywhere. We had a really ugly vanity. We took it all out, re-drywalled. There's such a nice little half bath now. Turn the corner. Master bedroom. This room is huge. We have a beautiful chandelier. As you can see, we have such high ceilings. We want to put a nice chandelier in just to kind of show off how amazing this place is. Now, the walk-in closets. So these cabinets that you see right here, these used to be the old kitchen cabinets. They were like a really ugly yellow stained color. What we did was we repurposed them, we repainted them, and we used them to kind of custom build in walk-in closets. Add these little chandelier lights, a nice mirror, and this is actually a very, very beautiful kind of custom built-in cabinet, walk-in closet. So, bathroom. This bathroom was absolutely hideous. We had to gut the whole thing and redo. This is another really, really, really beautiful part of the house. Look at this. Look at that. Boom. Man. Nice little soak-in tub right here. Got the LED lights, LED mirrors going on. Toilet back here. Anyway, so there's an upstairs as well. I want to show you really quick. As we head up there, we can kind of chat a little about this. So we've been doing quite a few property flips here lately, and they've been going really, really well. We're making great profit. We started our first one. We bought a house for about $145,000. We put about $20,000 into it and sold it and made about a $40,000 profit within 2 months. So that one was a great, great start. We've been flipping other homes, doing other things. Right here is it can be a multitude of things. It could be an office, it can be a spare bedroom. It doesn't have a closet, so it's not legally called a bedroom, but it could be an office. It could be a movie room, whatever you want it to be. We got the laundry room in here. We got the bedroom. There, our closet. So this place is huge. Like I said, it's 3,200 square feet. This is another full bath for the upstairs. Got the shower. We are gonna go and head over to another property that we have finished. I don't know if you guys can see me very well, but super excited about this project. This turned out so beautifully. We cannot wait to sell it and move on to the next one, but we'll see how it goes here. The only way you're gonna build financial freedom for yourself is by taking your money and having your money work for you instead of you working for your money. You know, some of us, we really like our jobs and that's great, but there's gonna be a point in time where you're not able to work, or you no longer want to work and you want to be able to go out and enjoy either your passions or your family, your friends, whatever, and you want to escape that 9 to 5. And that is our mission, and that is what we are about, is building wealth while pursuing your passions in life. And the only way that you can do that is simply by following a few set rules. Financial independence and financial freedom, there's a lot of ways that you can do it. However, there are certain set rules in which you go about it. And that is, you take your job, so whatever job you're working right now, whatever income that you have, you're gonna work that, okay? So you work full-time on your living. While you're doing that, you're gonna start cutting your expenses, start saving money. And then as you save money, that money's gonna begin investing in things that give you a return on your money. Utilize your money and have your money work for you. Anyways, I cannot wait to see you on the next one. We'll talk soon.